I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you. What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this one is a bit of a late video. I'm just now getting around to bringing this review out, but I did want to bring it to you and show you that I was able to get the shoe. I didn't win it personally on sneakers myself. I took the L, but my brother tried for me at the same time and he was able to get them for me. So let's go ahead and bring them in. You all recognize this box. Boom. Turn it that way. Alright. Yes, sir. You all know that box, alright? These are the Air Jordan 3 Retro, alright? Colorway is white, racer blue, and black, alright? Size 14, and these boys here. Alright? So, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get into these, man. Haven't put eyes on them. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. Very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Woo. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get a little closer. Very nice. These are the Air Jordan 3s and that racer blue. Man, these are dope. These are dope. Let's get the shoe tree out of here so we can see how smooth and how soft that leather is. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. Where's my... Let me grab these out of here. Because when I got these, the original thing that I thought was that, you know, do I really need these if I have these? If I have the sport blue? But they're not as similar as I was thinking. These two are not as similar as I was thinking. They're actually very different. You got the red on the tongue here, blue on this one, Nike Air on the cheeks, and Jordan Air on the cheeks here. The cement print, that elephant print, is lighter here, darker here. So these aren't as similar as I was thinking when I was first seeing pictures of these. I was like, man, I like these a lot, but do I need to go for these if I already have these? And I would say, yeah. I would say, yeah. You know, there's enough of a difference. Blue on the back of the tongue here, red here. So red on the insole with the Nike Air, and these have the Jordan Jumpman. Let me put these back. Put those away. But the shoe that I really wanted to compare this one to and show you all is this one. The red version ultimately of this shoe. This is ultimately the same shoe here, but red and blue. All right, both of them have the dark elephant print. Wow, now that I've got them both in hand, man, yeah. These are the red and blue version of the same shoe ultimately. Some of that print there has some white, and I do believe that they flash a little bit, you know, so, but still, if you look at the back of these, it's the same. Yeah, and you got the gray going around. Yeah, Yeah, yeah. This, I never reviewed this if I'm not mistaken, but this is the first Jordan 3 that I ever owned. This one right here. And it's in great shape. Great shape. Great shape. Held up well after all these years. How long have I had these? About 8 years now. These are in great shape. But these are the closest to this shoe. Look at the bottoms. It's just the red version. This is the blue version of this shoe. They are exactly the same. So my comparison was off. They're not quite sports blue. They're not the same as the sports blue, but they are the same as these. Yeah, pretty much identical. Just one's red, one's blue. All right, get those out of here. But yeah, the leather quality is really good. Those sports blue ones, those, man, that leather was a little bit stiffer. These aren't bad. They're not quite, where are those Cyber Mondays? I don't have those in here. I think those are in the other room. But those Cyber Mondays, those probably have the softest. I'm wearing 3s right now as well. But those Cyber Mondays probably have the softest leather that I have seen on a Jordan 3. Yes, sir. But these right here, these aren't bad, man. You got your blue hits up there. Gray all on the inside there. And as I showed before, blue Jumpman there at the bottom. Very dope, man. I'm glad to have these. Glad that my brother was able to pick these up. I don't usually go for 3s all that much. Like, I don't get too hyped about 3s. But when I saw these, I knew I was going to want them. So my brother was able to look out for me. Maybe sneakers, maybe sneakers are just like, look, man, we're saving your big win. We're saving your big win for later. Okay? You don't really need to win these. I was like, man, why can't I win? Why can't I win? Other shoes were coming out. I said, why can't I win? And sneakers were saying, Ralph, we know what you really want. We're saving your big win for later. And I said, I don't understand. And then the South Beach LeBron 8s drop and they say, here's your big win, Ralph. And I say, oh, thank you. I understand. That's why I didn't win these. That's why I didn't win. I get it now. I get it. I understand sneakers. Appreciate you. But you know what we got to do now? We got to take these boys on feet. All right. Here we are on foot. These are what I was wearing today. These are the 3s that I threw on today. Took these downtown to the bar, hang out with some of my friends. I'll get into this in another video, but Cousteau said in his recent video, make memories with wearing the shoes. Wear them places. Have stories wearing the shoes instead of just stocking them. And I took that to heart, so had a story today. Took these out, had some fun with some friends at the bar. Played some games, had a good time. Tinker alternate 3s. Alright, let's get these to the side. Boom. Here we are on foot. Alright. Now normally what I do is I change the laces. Alright, if you can see the very bottom of the laces here, I switched the laces just so it's a wider lace. Instead of the 2 smaller ones that you have right here that it comes pre-stock laced like that, I take all my laces out and put them on the widest ones. Put it on the widest ones. It's just more comfortable for me. I didn't do that on those Tinker alternates, but I usually like to do that just for a little bit more comfort. Alright, so these are size 14. I do not think width-wise that I could wear a 13 in Jordan 3s. I don't think so. My pinky toe is right there. It doesn't feel smashed in. Feels pretty comfortable. As my big toe is right here. Maybe lengthwise I could go down, but widthwise no. So a 14 would be perfect. So for me, that is a half size up. I feel like if they made a 13 and a half, that would be perfect. So I would say either go true to size or go half size up in these. All right, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir, and let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Definitely a nice shoe. Glad that I was able to get it. These are a very nice one to add to my collection, and also very nice to have the blue version of this shoe. You know what I mean? If you really wanted to freak it out, you could wear them both. You can wear them both. Wear one of the blue, wear one of the red. You know what I mean? If you wanted to get your red, white, and blue on, wear them both. You can really flip that. But I'm glad to have the alternate blue version of this shoe. This one is the first Jordan 3, as I mentioned, that I ever owned. So now they made a blue version of it, and blue is my favorite color. I know today I'm wearing all this red, but blue is my favorite color. So this one, it's gonna be the preferred one over that one. Just how it's gonna be. But I really do like these a lot, man. And if you can find these, I would recommend picking them up, because they're a nice shoe, man. You can never go wrong with an all-white Jordan 3. It pretty much goes with anything. It goes with anything like this. All white with that blue hits, throw on a nice white t-shirt, throw on something that got some of that blue in it, you'll be fine. So I recommend these if you can find them. But that's gonna do it for these, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.